I just picked up the CargoGlide 1000 from Decked, so I could turn my truck from this into this. With its beefy powder-coated American steel frame, 3/4 inch tray, and thermoplastic top layer, it's not only UV and weather resistant, but can hold up to 1,000 pounds when stowed. The jacked up rollers and bearings make it slide really smooth, and with this handle, you just grab and pull. With the molded corners, you don't have to worry about it snagging anything when you're sliding it in and out of the truck, and you have T-slots down each side that allow for the D-ring attachments to go on. The tray itself also has multiple locking stops and slides out to 75% of your bed length. That's pretty much all I have to say about it. You should go check one out. Maybe get a couple of their accessories to go with it. The high sides, battle mat. See you later.